What do you got there, Dave?
I don't know, but I hope I can get it.
That's a big snook is what it is.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Come on, Dave. I think that, is this thing off?
I gotta get it out.
Right here, right here.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
GoPro, start recording.
Definitely not ready.
Just barely.
Let up and it came right out.
Just like butter.
Yep. That's a nice snook.
I'm getting a little bigger, hopefully.
This is like that.
What is it?
No, this is red something. I think this is.
Get away from the propeller. Pull left, pull left, pull left. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah, it's a little red.
Oh, a little red.
Good job. Pull them in. Pull them in. Good job.
Can I hold it? Can I hold the red? I know that. Can I hold it?
Good catch, Graham.
See, all we got to do is get the snook and we got the slam. Good job. All right, he goes back in. Yeah, we got to find his daddy.
I kissed it.
Good job, bud. This is what a -6 looks like. And this is your boat when you're at a -6. When you think you